In this part, we are going to talk about the array functions. And as you can see, we already have a few different types of arrays here. And now we are going to manipulate the array. And first, we change this to array1. And here, now we can go to array1.push 200. And then you can see the array will become adding a 200 at the end. And now if we want to place it in front of the array, then we can use array1.unshift 300. And now you can see the 300 is in the front of the array. And then if we want to remove the last item, then we can use array1.pop. And now you can see the 40 is disappeared. Now if we want to remove the front, then we can use array1.shift. Now we can see the 30 is removed. Now if we want to at the position 1, which is here, 0, 1, we remove this item and then add 1 and 2, these two tags. Then we can use splice, array1.splice, and then 1 is the position, and then 1 item, and then 1, and then 2. Now you can see the original 50 is removed, and then we insert the 1 and 2. We can also remove 2 items. So if you look at the original, this is 30, 50. So now if we want to remove 2 items, so these 2 will disappear and then replaced by 1 and 2, these 2 tags. Also, you can just remove 2 items without inserting anything, just like this. We can also reverse the whole array by using array1.reverse. Now you can see the whole array is reversed. Compared with the original, the 40 will become at the beginning. And then we can also concat the array. So we let another variable. We already let at the top. And then we console.log the values. And the values is equal to array1.concat array2. So now you can see these two combined together become a single array. Now we can also sort the item. For example, at here you can see the users. So we can users.sort. So now it will sort from A, B, C, D in an ascending order. And then we can also reverse. The array will start from Peter and end with Alan. Now we try to sort the numbers. And now you will see there are some problems because it's just focused on the first number. So the 3, 4, 5, 6, but actually 6 is the smallest compared with 30, 40, and 50. So we have to add the compare functions. So the values will become array1.sort and function a, b, and then return a minus b. And then it will become 6 at the beginning and 50 at the end. We can also reverse by just duplicate these functions and then we reverse this order b minus a. Now it becomes start with the largest number, and we can also use find. For example, you can see the array 1 is like this. So we can check values is equal to array1.find, but we have to create a function first. The functions greater than 10 and then we pass the number, and then we return the numbers greater than 10, and then we put the functions here. Now you see the 50 here, because when you console.log the array 1, the first one is 50, we can delete or comment the above. Now you see the array is 30, and it will return the first one that greater than 10, so it will become 30. We can also return all the numbers that greater than 10 by using the filter. Now you see the numbers greater than 10 will display here.